Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make rubber band bracelets. First, let's gather our essential supplies. You will need a good assortment of colorful rubber bands, perhaps 50 to 100 for a single bracelet. Also, make sure you have a loom, a small hook tool, and some S-clips or C-clips to finish your creation. Having everything ready makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's begin the weaving process. Take your first rubber band and twist it into a figure-8 shape, placing it across 2 pegs on your loom. Next, add 2 more rubber bands straight across the same 2 pegs, without any twists. With your hook tool, carefully grab the bottom, twisted rubber band and pull it up and over the 2 top bands, releasing it into the center. To continue your bracelet, simply add another rubber band straight across the 2 pegs, ensuring you always have 3 bands on the pegs. Then, using your hook tool, grab the new bottom rubber band and pull it up and over the 2 bands above it, releasing it into the center. Keep repeating this pattern, adding 1 band and looping 1 over, until your bracelet reaches your desired length. Once your bracelet is the perfect length, it's time to finish it. You should have 2 rubber bands remaining on the pegs. Carefully remove one of the bands, leaving just 1. Now, transfer the 2 loops of this final band onto a single peg. Take an S-clip or C-clip and attach it to these 2 loops, then connect the other end of the clip to the figure-8 loop you started with.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.